Now we're going to apply conditional formatting using multiple rules. To start off with, we want to make sure we clear out any other format that's been defined. To do that, click on the table, press the down arrow, and choose Remove Conditional Format and choose All. That clears it out completely. Now we're going to apply the conditional format using multiple rules. Click on the drop-down arrow, choose Formatting, choose Background Color, and we're going to change the Format By to the Rules feature. And then we're going to simply set up a rule that simply says that if it's greater than or equal to 0 and less than 1, then that pretty much identified the 0 value. Let's say OK to make sure this is working correctly. And sure enough, it formatted the 0 value to be read. Let's go through and finish up the multiple rules. Choose your down arrow. Choose Conditional Formatting, Background Color. And now we're going to add another rule. So you press the Add button. And now we're going to look for anything greater than or equal to 1, but less than 2. And we'll format that to be yellow. And then we'll add a third rule that simply says if it's greater than or equal to 2, but less than 3, then we're going to color that to be green. And when you're finished, you simply press OK, and then sure enough, it formatted them exactly the way we identified.